Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode. So we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find eye comfort. Let's tap on it and then tap on the switcher to turn it on. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order basically to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So it will be basically easier for you and give a huge relief for your eyes. So here you can change the screen color temperature. Of course, you can set it just like you want to. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. As you can see, it is basically orange. Here you've got also the display effects. It's up to you whether you want to display the colors or simply display everything in monochromatic manner, so the black and white colors. Up to you, I prefer colors. And we can schedule that feature also. Simply tap on the switcher and you can basically choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. Let me turn it off. And basically this is the whole customization of the eye comfort, and now I'd like to show you much faster access to it through the upper panel kind of. So let's unroll it. Let's unroll it fully and let's find this icon, eye comfort. Simply tap on it and the mode will be applied, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.